Hi, welcome back. Nifty futures and Bank Nifty futures for tomorrow. That is 23rd June. First, we will check the Nifty futures level. Nifty futures on Friday closed around 25,096. Now, for tomorrow, that is Monday, if it trades about 25,121, then the next target will be 25,192. That is around the 70 points rally will be there. And above 192, 226 and 305. The three targets we have. One is a big target and a minor resistance over here, 226. If a 15 minutes candle close above this level with the volumes plus some amount of short covering, then it will move up to 25,305 quickly. And on the lower side, this level, that is 25,068 to 76 level. And this level will hold as a major support. And below this 68, 25,068, then 48,977 and 24,952, 24,977. And this is a very crucial level, 24,977. Below 24,977, Nifty futures will go down very quickly. But that may not happen because this rally has happened with almost double volume. And what about this Bank Nifty futures? Bank Nifty futures closed around 56,279. And if trades above 56,246, then the next target will be 56,468, 56,670. 56,670 breaks and close in a 15 minutes chart. Then it will be taken out and the next target will be 56,933. And after that, 57,072. And the lower levels trades below 56,172. Then 56,002 or 5. And these multiple supports are there, 56,840 and 56,808. And that's all for the day. Thank you.